Didn't see you there. Just editing some video. Speaking of editing, I was going through some of the footage from last week's schooled episode with the D-Boss guys down at D Gun Range, and I noticed that there were some shots of me explaining a prep plan to Dave. So I thought that'd be a good episode of Schooled, just learning what a prep plan is. So enjoy.
Thanks for letting us come out here.
Yeah, no problem.
This was super fun. That was really fun to shoot.
Yeah, I think that worked out pretty well.
It was a good time. Yeah.
What do you got there?
I've been thinking a little bit about like how we do things. We've got this thing called a prep plan. So what it essentially does is like every business will have a loss at some point, right? And the last thing you want to worry about when you have a loss is when is somebody going to come here to fix it? How long is it going to take? Who do I call? This sets it up ahead of time, so you're already in our system. We'll be on the phone with you within 15 minutes, and we guarantee our crew will be out there within an hour to help with any losses that you have.
And you think I really need that? All right, give it here.
Hey, thanks, Dave.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, see you in 15 minutes.
All right. Mike! For crying out loud, Mike.